9/14/2020, exciting news. Finally, again, with our gold play NUGT ETF, as you can see here on the daily chart. And I can just tell you that all the years, oh, it's been forever. Oh, gosh, a couple decades. But listen, we're back up here at the top, and we're about to crack that daily buy signal here, which NUGT has just barely done. And it started with a gap. It's above that 10-day moving average. On Friday, we did have these rallies before, like right here, that we did, and we always had to sell. Or we had rallies like that and we had to sell, and then we would buy them. And now we're, going to be buying again. And I'm going to pull up the weekly chart. So we got a daily buy signal. Let's go to the weekly, my friends. And we're so excited. Now, one thing that we do know is the blue line here is a 50-week moving average. And the green line is 150 week. But no matter what, that will be resistance, as it was over here back all these years back. It seems like years to me, but when we had the great rallies that we did here with NUGT, and it tested those same moving averages, which are significant weekly moving averages, and you have to know how to sell into those. And we could never test it again. And now on the weekly, we're going to head up here into that direction. So let's go back to one more thing. Let's go to a monthly chart. And we can see that on a monthly chart, that NUGT has some steam to it. And when it does break out, it's going to break out, and it is. The thing that we have to be aware of is the 20-month moving average, which is this line right there. So figure 114.45. So that will be significant. Now, let's go back to the daily. We can see that when this thing gets running, we can see what can happen. These were back in February. Yeah, and it was $214. Oh yeah, 160 on the open, closed at 115 up here. So we know that the monthly tells that story along with the daily. Now, with the daily breakout, what we wanted to see in NUGT was $7.76. That's a good intraday price range. And from bottom up, the 50-day moving average is the blue line in the 10-day. And now we're going to come here. This is going to be what we're looking at right here. This is going to be the trend line. I'm going to put it right there. I have to clear on a good breakout 104.06, bust right through it. Okay, and once we get there, then we start moving it up, and we do, and we start moving it up to right around 105.73, and then we move it up to 107.28, and then we move it up to 108.28. Well, it'll be 108.50. That would be the real breakout. Now, buying the support level intraday on the dip, now that we're above, I will set an alert right now. And I'll set alerts like right there. So I'm notified. It tells me the price right here, $99.18. So this is going to be the trade. Now, the thing is this. Once that buy signal starts, as it is, then the pullback to support intraday with the purchase using the options and the $100 call options or the 95s. Sometimes, well, I could even trade $90, $10 in the money. They move faster. But nonetheless, what we're looking for is the real breakout, not where we're going to be stalling and having to sell. And this could be that breakout. We'll have it on the top alert. Once again, get in that alert service via live trading room. Let us deliver you the entry there. Let us do it now together.